Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Nagajingpen Pao ka Khasi Students Union KSU Central Executive Council bakamat ban Khlong Uranium ka ki phalo biang ha ka jilla da ka jingdan ki officer ka ADM bat GSI ki barung bami shigi jaka badan utai umar po khendo umintri rangba ka jilla Conrad ke sangma haba Kren shikila pathai khubor hadien ka jingalang kin hun mintri ka Sorkar MDA2 ha ka janmet pratarik unai tung arja arpinreo uloong ba ka Sorkar jilla kam dan Īashah bat ka te ka jingtmu Umintri rangba uloong ba ka nu ka sin jam kan day nagamantay ka nongshong shnong ka jilla da ka bakdo ba ka linti rel ru ka Sorkar jilla kam shem la thom da ka bor hinray ka shimya ka jing ay jingmut lang jong baro ula pintip ba ka Sorkar jilla kalay Kren ye ka ni ka binta bat ka Sorkar India Halor ka jing dawa ka KSU ban minjur da ka resolution man persya yo uranium Umintri rangba ulapin pao ba ka ka ba Kren ka day nakabanta ka Sorkar bat ki Paidbah ba kumta day ban yo yaka
I have made it very clear in all my press conferences and questions when I've been asked about this, and even I think as close as 2025, I remember I made a statement on this, and I've been very clear that we are not in favor of uranium mining. We're very, very clear about that, and we've made it clear to Government of India also. We've made it very clear to the people also. And it's not just about uranium mining. If you look at all the decisions we have taken, especially decisions that impact the people at large, we've been very clear that we will work and do things in line with what is best in the best interest of our people. Whether you talk of railways, we are maybe the only state that today does not have a railway connection to the major capital, or the capital city, or to the major regions of the state. And it's a big challenge, but we don't bulldoze. We are very clear that we must take people into confidence when we move forward in these aspects. So that has been the principle with which we follow. We believe in creating consensus. We believe in ensuring that we are sharing everything with the people. And uranium mining has been something that we have all been concerned about. I've made my point very clear that we are not at all in favor of uranium mining. And this is an issue that has come multiple times to us, and we've rejected it multiple times. So I think this is an issue that need not be explained in a manner in which that to make the people confused that government is in favor of it. We are not. I've been made very, very clear regarding movement of people coming in and going out. That is something that is. If any knowledge comes to my office, if you inform me, then obviously we'll take action. I don't have any specific, written tour or anything like that of anybody coming in. I mean, I can check if they did come in or not. But as far as my information goes, I have not been informed about that. But since you have told me right now that there is reports that there were some movements, I will find out. And accordingly we will take steps in that also. I think the government, as Chief Minister, my statement is the most important. I have made my statement very clear that the government will not allow this. I think that's where we are right now. And we will examine the need for a resolution if it has to be. But I think the fact that Chief Minister has made the stand of the government clear, I think that word should count.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.